Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you are watching my video. You are watching my channel AK Decor and Lifestyle. After a long time, I am back and I am sharing for you Christmas decor ideas for you, unique style and unique look. Guys, as you know, Christmas is near now, so I am sharing for you Christmas decor ideas for you. It's a very beautiful and unique style. So guys, I hope you are doing well and best condition for health. So guys, first of all, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Then I start video. Guys, I am sharing for you Christmas decor ideas for different red and white colors of combination, Christmas tree decor ideas, unique Christmas tree decor ideas, and different Christmas door decor ideas in this video you can see. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy this amazing idea of Christmas decor ideas. I am sharing for you living room Christmas decor ideas and Christmas aesthetic decor ideas for you, unique style and unique. Guys, as you know, red color is a sign of Christmas. So in this video, I am sharing of red color Christmas decor ideas for you, unique style and unique look. So guys, once again, I am requesting for you. Guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Then I share unique and stylish ideas for you, unique style and unique look. Guys, Christmas is near now and I am sharing stylish, beautiful, wonderful Christmas decor ideas. Christmas decor decorations is very beautiful, and guys, you know, Christmas is a very important day for the year, and I am sharing for you Christmas latest trendy new stylish decor ideas, unique style and unique look. Another guys decoration ideas, tiny decor, patio decor, TV wall decor ideas, and other amazing home decor ideas. Guys, you can visit my channel. I am sharing all the unique and trendy, beautiful, latest home decoration ideas for you and available for AK Decor and Lifestyle. Guys, you can visit this channel. I am sharing for you all home decor ideas in this channel. I am sharing for you unique and stylish decoration ideas. So guys, at the end, I am requesting for you, please guys like my video and subscribe my channel. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much.